Hi guys, so we are on our way kinda to an air show. Mum and Neil have gone into the shops to get some snacks. And
on this side.
I still have her birthday vlog to edit, so I feel like that one will be after this one, even though that was filmed like 2 weeks before. Or will probably be like filmed a year before by the time I upload this as well. Her hair is on fleek. So yeah, and you have to fleek. Hopefully she doesn't see this, which I don't think she will, but hopefully she doesn't, because I'm going, he just stuck his car keys in his ear or something, that's weird. I'm going to be doing modelling, hopefully soon. When my mum gets a car, she's going to take me to Bournemouth, and I'm going to do modelling. And yeah, it's just going to be really fun, because I've always wanted to do modelling, but I just haven't been that confident enough to do it until... I'm still not that confident right now. But like, I eat healthily and I do exercises and workouts and all that.
Look at the tree.
Pattern in the sky.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Thursday.